Hey, what's up guys, your lady Umoto here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. If you're new here, hit the button below and subscribe. If you're my fan, of course you know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, leave a sweet comment below and share the video, and don't forget to turn on that notification so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay, thank you so much guys. Let me just take a special thank you guys for supporting the video. Thank you so much guys for putting up with me, and thank you so much for supporting each and every videos, and thank you so much for the new members and the new subscribers guys. I bow for you. I love you so much. Thank you so much for all your sweet comments. Okay, just wanted to get that out so that you know you are appreciated as my fan. Actually guys, the reason why I'm here is just I'm going to give you an update about my locks. You know, teenager Umoto changed her hairstyle. I used to love to wear wigs and wigs and wigs, and now I have dreadlocks. Don't get me wrong, I still wear wigs whenever I feel like, and sometimes I do my locks, okay? But now I'm gonna talk purely about my locks, and this is an update for 6 months. 6 months guys, I've been having all these locks, okay? Before I go further, if you did not watch the other videos that I put, it was actually 3 weeks, I was installing my locks, how they look like in 3 weeks, and I put another video for 3 months update, and now I'm giving you another update of 6 months. Guys, bear with me. I'm gonna tell you about it, how I feel about it. I'm gonna show you. As you can tell guys, my locks are growing guys. That is the first thing I'm gonna say. Like, my hair is growing like crazy. I am the kind of person who believes that my hair doesn't actually grow because of the family history, whatever, that we believe like our hair cannot grow. It's a genetics, it's blah blah blah. But hey, any hair, I'm a testimony. Any hair you have, any kind of type of hair you have, girl, your hair can grow. All it needs is, are you serious taking care of your hair? I'm the kind of person who never cared about the hair. I care about that, just throw a wig and go there. No, anybody out there, your hair can grow. It doesn't matter what kind of hair, it can grow if you put work on it. Okay, it's like anything you really want in life, you have to put more effort on it, right? Yes, that's what I believe. So my locks are growing guys. As you can tell, this is an update of 6 months, and as you can tell, they're due for retwisting. You can tell there's a lot of growth. Let me come closer. There's a lot of growth going on here. As you can tell, a lot of growth going on here guys. Yes, it's growing. And guys, can you imagine how my locks have gotten longer? My hair, seriously, it's long, and the locks are locking so well. The thing about these locks, each lock is like an individual lock. It has its own style. And you know guys, I don't know how many locks I have in my head. One of these days I'm going to count each and every lock to know how many locks actually I have in my head. All I know, I have locks, but I don't know how many locks. Some of the locks are thin, some are along the medium. You know, I tell you guys, they're so unique. However, they are growing and locking in so beautifully, and I feel like I'm loving it, and that's why I'm here to give you an update of 6 months. Guys, if you want to start locks, don't hesitate guys, go ahead and do your locks. And these locks I have here, they called traditional dreadlocks. So they're traditional dreadlocks. So you know, they have sister locks, all kinds of locks. Is what you feel is good for your hair. Like when I went to the loctician, she told me, because of the hair type that I had and because of my hair, she suggested that I should do this, and that's why we went with traditional dreadlocks. But now I can tell you guys, they are doing amazing, and my hair is growing. As you know guys, now I can hold, you know, these locks in any style. Sometimes, you know, I hold them up even though some people say that when you hold your locks up it's not recommended, but I really don't mind about that. I just hold my locks whenever I feel like. However, when I hold them, some of them are short here, they can't go all the way, so I wait until they're long enough so that I can, you know, start styling. But for now, I just let them down and hold them, you know, as I wish, you know, how I feel that day. But as you can tell, guys, the growth is real. This is how it's growing, and this is how the growth is coming. And in about one or 2 weeks, I'm going back to retwisting. Of course, some people recommend that you can go back retwisting after a month. Some people say after 2 months. Some people say after 3 months. Some people say after 6 months. All I can say is how you feel. If you feel that you want to twist go back for retwisting for 3 months. However, I recommend the longer you leave your hair or your locks to grow, the more they're going to lock. And another thing I can say about these locks, leave your hair alone. Guys, don't be messing with your hair. Don't be doing none to your hair. The only thing that you're supposed to do with your hair is to wash your hair. I know most people say, don't wash locks. Locks are not supposed to be washed. Girl, no, I do wash my locks. I wash, maybe you can wash twice a week or you can wash once a week. The only time that I recommend or I say that you don't wash your hair is immediately after you have done retwisting. You just want to give it a week, you know, for the hair to lock, so you don't want to mess up with it. But my locks, I tell you, I wash my hair, and my locks and my hair is clean, and it's not preventing my locks from locking. You understand what I mean? So I don't see anything that is going to prevent me from not washing my locks. But as you can tell, the locks are growing and the locks are doing so well. And in about 1 or 2 weeks, I might go for retwisting or I might wait even longer. I'll update you when I do that. However, today I'm going to show you how I take care of my locks, guys. I have nothing really much to take care of these locks. All I have is a bottle of water. This is just pure water. All I do is just spray my locks because you need hydration in your hair. So all I do, I just spray these locks, guys. Ooh, you can feel the water going in there, like my skin was thirsty. It needed this. So all I do, guys, I spray the water and then I massage my locks. Make sure every hair strand in here, every lock has water. So when I finish with my water, I come up with a mixture, guys, of this oil. This is a mixture of wild growth oil. Let me show you. I have a bottle of wild growth oil, this one, and Jamaican oil. So I use this. I don't know where I take the bottle of Jamaican oil, but I use wild growth oil and Jamaican oil that looks like this, but it's not it. And then with water, that's what in here, Jamaican oil and wild growth oil. And then after I spray my bottle of water, and then I spray this. Make sure it goes all inside the skin, guys. You can feel it going in there. Make sure you spray everywhere. See now? This is it, simple and clear, you know. It doesn't need, the good thing with the locks, like, it doesn't need much attention. So this is what I do now, and then I massage my locks. Make sure the oil actually goes in there. Okay, massage it. Ooh, see my hands? Yes. So after I'm done with this too, you can just do like this and you're done. It doesn't matter. But I find something else that is called No More Itchy Grow Spray. If you don't want your scalp to itchy, because this is for locks actually. It's Jamaican mango lime right here. It's a regular leaf, helps smooth, itchy, and dry scalp. So I spray this just to kind of help my itchy skin. Okay, so you kind of just spray it a little bit, not so much. And then after you spray, do the massage, guys. Massage it. Yeah, it really smells really good. because it helps the scalps, and actually it's for locks and twisting. If you have twisted braids and locks, this is really good for you. So that's what I do. And now the locks just in there, make sure you don't itch. Like that. Yeah, so you can see how it's coming up easy. You can hold it any style you want. So after I'm done with this three, this is all I do. This is all I do. Actually, I don't spray. Sometimes I don't put this, sometimes I use this more, but now I added this one. So these three, it gives me life. This is, I told you, some mixture of wild growth and Jamaican oil together, and the shampoo that I use to wash my dreadlocks. My locks, actually I use this black castor is moisture rich shampoo, solvent free. So this is natural. So whenever I wash my locks, this is what I use. Actually, it smells really good. So this is what I use, because I don't want and twist or untangle my locks. I want my locks to lock. And then when I go to retwisting, guys, I always have to go with this locking firm wax. So this is what the loctician suggested for me, so that when she's locking my hair, I need to go with this, so that she can use this to actually lock my hair. At the same time, you can use this for your scalp. It's really good. Sometimes when you don't use all these, you can just go ahead and use this, especially the edges here. You just wanna go ahead and use it, and your locks and your hair, my God, will thank you. Your hair will be growing, your locks will be growing, and don't get scared of the growth. When you see the growth on the locks, that means your hair actually is doing so wonderful. Didn't I tell you that I was scared when I started, because I didn't know how the hair was going to look like? So I was like, blah blah blah, I don't know. But now actually, the more, see guys, what I use, all this, okay, in my head. So let me put it right here. So guys, you have seen how I take care of my locks. You have seen how my locks are doing in 6 months. So, and when I'm gonna go for retwisting, I don't think it's ready yet, but I'm just gonna wait a little bit, because the longer you wait, the more you give your locks to lock, and the longer your hair is growing. So you can tell, let me pull one lock, actually you see the growth. So how, because when I started with these locks, guys, they were thin locks, but now you can see the locks are getting fuller. You see how they're growing right there? That is the hair that is growing, and that's how the locks get thicker. As you can tell, guys, they're getting thicker, and down here you can see the growth. Okay, that's how they are growing. And the best thing you can do to your locks, I tell you, leave it alone. Don't be messing up with your locks until the growth, until you feel like you need to go lock it out, guys. This is a 6 month update, and I hope guys you have enjoyed. If you have a question, you're starting locks, if you have any advice, guys, comment below. Share this video, it might help someone who's struggling with their hair like I was before. Hey guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, you share the video, and the locks, you can style them in any way you want. Guys, what do you think? Comment below. Do I look good with long locks? Do I look good? Let me know, guys. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.